Do you know how a mammogram machine works? Well, today I'm going to show you. I'm a diagnostic medical sonographer, and I've been performing mammograms for over 10 years. I've performed thousands of mammograms, and I've also been teaching people about breast health and how to perform self-breast exams for over 10 years as well. Is it going to hurt? What's that loud noise? What is this? Why do I have to do this? So I'm going to answer all those questions for you today. Well, this is because of the vacuum that's created inside the X-ray tube. This is called the image receptor. The image receptor is what the X-ray beam hits, and it creates the mammogram image. Now, this used to be film, but now almost all mammogram machines have digital image receptors. You know, most of the time it's uncomfortable. Sometimes it's even painful. Well, the reason we do this is because the whole purpose of a mammogram is to find small masses that might be in the breast tissue. If we can compress the breast tissue, we can make those small masses more visible on the mammogram image. The American Cancer Society recommends that all women over the age of 40 get a mammogram every year. Early detection is key when it comes to breast cancer. So if you haven't had a mammogram, please schedule one today. And the nice thing about digital image receptors is that we can take the image right here, put it up on a light box, and look at it immediately. When that vacuum is created, it makes this loud noise. The compression paddle has a very important job. Its job is to compress or squeeze the breast. When the breast is compressed, it makes the breast thinner so we can get a better image on the image receptor. It also helps to remove some of the air from the breast tissue, which also helps to get a better image. Just think of it like when you're on an airplane and your ears pop. That same thing is happening to the air inside the X-ray tube. And today we're going to talk all about the mammogram machine. The X-ray tube is what takes the actual picture of your breast tissue. So this is where the X-rays come from. It comes out right here, and it goes through the breast tissue and onto the image receptor. If you've ever had a mammogram, you probably have a lot of questions about the machine itself. So the first thing you probably want to know is, what is this big thing here in the middle? This is called the X-ray tube. Now you may be wondering, why does it sound like a spaceship when the X-ray is happening? The next thing you're probably wondering is, what is this white thing here? The last thing you're probably wondering is, what is this big black thing over here? This is called the compression paddle. Now you may be wondering, why do they have to squeeze my breast so hard?